Did you know that over 95 million adults in the United States have high cholesterol? That's a staggering number. But here's the good news. There are natural, effective ways to bring those cholesterol levels down without relying solely on medication, which are backed by science and research. Welcome to today's video on how to lower cholesterol naturally. Stick around to discover some life-changing tips and tricks that have worked wonders for many individuals. Let's dive in. Section 1. Understanding cholesterol. First, let's understand what cholesterol is and why it matters. Cholesterol is a waxy substance found in your blood, essential for building cells and producing certain hormones. However, having too much cholesterol can lead to severe health issues such as heart disease and stroke. Cholesterol comes in two types. Number 1, LDL, low-density lipoprotein, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL can lead to the buildup of plaques in your arteries, narrowing them and making it harder for blood to flow through. Number 2, HDL, high-density lipoprotein known as good cholesterol. HDL helps carry cholesterol away from the arteries and back to the liver, where it's processed and removed from the body. The key to a healthy heart is to lower your LDL levels while maintaining or increasing your HDL levels. According to the American Heart Association, an optimal LDL level is below 100 milligrams per deciliter, while an HDL level above 60 milligrams per deciliter is considered protective against heart disease. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, found that individuals who adopted a diet high in plant-based foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains, experienced a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol levels. In one particular case, a participant named John, who struggled with high LDL levels despite medication, saw a 20% drop in his LDL cholesterol after 3 months of dietary changes and regular exercise. Let's look how you can reduce your cholesterol with these effective techniques, backed by science. Section 2, Diet Changes. Let's dive into one of the most effective ways to lower cholesterol naturally: diet changes. Your food choices play a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels. Let's look at some cholesterol-lowering superfoods and the science behind them. Number 1, oats and barley. Studies have shown that the soluble fiber in oats, known as beta-glucan, can reduce LDL cholesterol by 5 to 10%. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who consumed oatmeal daily experienced significant reductions in their LDL cholesterol levels within 6 weeks. Practical tip: start your day with a bowl of oatmeal or add barley to your soups and salads. Number 2, nuts. A study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine found that eating a handful of nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, can reduce LDL cholesterol by an average of 5%. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated fats and other heart-healthy nutrients. Practical tip: incorporate a small handful of nuts into your daily diet as a snack, or add them to your salads and yogurt. Number 3, fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. The American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Practical tip: grill or bake fish for a delicious and heart-healthy meal option. Number 4, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that individuals who consumed a diet rich in fruits and vegetables had lower LDL cholesterol levels and a reduced risk of heart disease. Practical tip: aim for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. Think apples, berries, leafy greens, carrots, and broccoli. Number 5, olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil led to better heart health outcomes. Practical tip: use extra virgin olive oil as a cooking oil or drizzle it over salads and vegetables. Consider the case of Maria, a 55-year-old woman with high cholesterol. By incorporating these dietary changes, starting her day with oatmeal, snacking on almonds, eating salmon twice a week, and increasing her intake of fruits and vegetables, Maria was able to lower her LDL cholesterol by 15% within 3 months as reported in a study published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association. Remember, reducing saturated fats found in red meat and full-fat dairy products is equally important. Instead, opt for lean proteins like chicken and turkey and choose low-fat or fat-free dairy options. Section 3. Physical activity. Next up, let's talk about the significant role of physical activity in lowering cholesterol levels. Regular exercise is not just about shedding pounds or building muscle. It has a profound impact on your cardiovascular health and cholesterol profile. Let's explore how and why exercise matters. Boosts HDL cholesterol. Physical activity helps increase your HDL, good cholesterol, which assists in transporting cholesterol from the arteries to the liver for removal from the body. Lowers LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Exercise can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, fats in the blood that, at high levels, increase the risk of heart disease. A study published in the journal Circulation found that individuals who engaged in regular aerobic exercise experienced significant reductions in LDL cholesterol and increases in HDL cholesterol. The study showed that even moderate exercise, such as brisk walking for 30 minutes a day 5 times a week, can result in substantial health benefits. Types of effective exercises. 1. Aerobic exercise. Examples: brisk walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming. A study in the Journal of Lipid Research found that aerobic exercise significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels and improved overall cardiovascular health. 2. Resistance training. Examples: weightlifting, bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. According to research published in Atherosclerosis, resistance training can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve muscle mass, which is beneficial for metabolic health. 3. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Examples: short bursts of high-intensity activities like sprints followed by periods of low-intensity exercise or rest. A study in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that HIIT was particularly effective at reducing LDL cholesterol and increasing HDL cholesterol in a shorter time frame compared to moderate-intensity exercise. 4. Flexibility and balance exercises. Examples: yoga and Tai Chi. While these activities are not as effective at lowering cholesterol directly, they play a crucial role in reducing stress, which can indirectly impact cholesterol levels. A study published in Complementary Therapies in Medicine found that yoga practitioners showed improvements in HDL cholesterol levels and reductions in LDL cholesterol. Practical tips for incorporating exercise. Start slow. If you're new to exercise, begin with short, manageable sessions and gradually increase the duration and intensity. Find activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, find something you love to keep you motivated. Mix it up. Combine different types of exercises to work various muscle groups and keep your routine interesting. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise, 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic exercise, or an equivalent combination each week as recommended by the American Heart Association. Take the example of Sarah, a 45-year-old woman with a sedentary lifestyle and high cholesterol levels. After incorporating a mix of aerobic exercises, resistance training, and yoga into her weekly routine, Sarah saw a 20% reduction in her LDL cholesterol and a 15% increase in her HDL cholesterol within 6 months, as reported in a study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health. Remember, the best exercise is the one that you enjoy and can stick with long-term. By making physical activity a regular part of your life, you can significantly improve your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. Section 4. Lifestyle changes. Your lifestyle choices play a crucial role in managing your cholesterol levels. Sometimes, simple changes to your daily habits can have a profound impact on your heart health. Let's explore some of these impactful lifestyle changes. Number 1. Quit smoking. First and foremost, if you smoke, quitting can significantly improve your HDL cholesterol level. Smoking damages the walls of your blood vessels, making them more prone to accumulating fatty deposits. It also lowers your good HDL cholesterol. According to a study published in the American Heart Journal, individuals who quit smoking saw a 5% increase in their HDL cholesterol levels within a year. Moreover, the risk of heart disease dropped substantially. Consider the case of Mark, a 50-year-old chronic smoker. After quitting smoking and adopting a healthier lifestyle, Mark's HDL cholesterol level increased by 10% within 6 months, and his overall cardiovascular health improved, as documented in a study from the Journal of the American College of Cardiology. Number 2. Limit alcohol intake. Moderate alcohol consumption has been linked to higher levels of HDL cholesterol. However, it's essential to consume alcohol in moderation because too much alcohol can lead to serious health issues, including high blood pressure, heart failure, and strokes. The American Heart Association recommends that women limit alcohol to 1 drink per day and men to 2 drinks per day. Studies have shown that moderate alcohol consumption can lead to a 5% increase in HDL cholesterol levels. Emma, a 40-year-old woman who used to consume multiple alcoholic drinks daily, reduced her intake to 1 glass of wine per day. Within 3 months, her HDL cholesterol level increased by 7%, and her LDL cholesterol level decreased by 5%, as reported in a study published in the European Heart Journal. Number 3. Manage stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect your cholesterol levels and overall heart health. High stress levels can lead to poor dietary choices, lack of exercise, and increased smoking or alcohol consumption, all of which can raise your cholesterol levels. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that individuals who practice stress management techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, experienced significant reductions in LDL cholesterol and improvements in HDL cholesterol. John, a 35-year-old man with a high-stress job, incorporated daily meditation and breathing exercises into his routine. After 3 months, his LDL cholesterol level dropped by 8%, and his HDL cholesterol level increased by 6%, as highlighted in a study from the Journal of Behavioral Medicine. Number 4. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep can lead to unhealthy weight gain and higher cholesterol levels. Ensuring you get 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night is crucial for maintaining optimal cholesterol levels and overall health. A study published in Sleep Medicine Review found that individuals who regularly got less than 6 hours of sleep per night had significantly higher levels of LDL cholesterol and lower levels of HDL cholesterol compared to those who slept 7-9 hours. Sarah, a 28-year-old woman with erratic sleep patterns, made a conscious effort to improve her sleep hygiene. After consistently getting 8 hours of sleep per night for 3 months, her LDL cholesterol level decreased by 10%, and her HDL cholesterol level increased by 7%, according to a study in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine. Section 5. Supplements and Natural Remedies. Lastly, let's explore the world of supplements and natural remedies. While the primary focus should be on diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, certain supplements and natural remedies can offer additional support in lowering cholesterol levels. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Let's dive into some of the most effective options backed by research. Number 1. Plant sterols and stanols. Plant sterols and stanols are naturally occurring substances found in small amounts in many fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, cereals, legumes, and other plant sources. They can help block the absorption of cholesterol in the intestines. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that consuming 2 grams of plant sterols or stanols daily can lower LDL cholesterol by about 10%. Mark, a 60-year-old man with high LDL cholesterol, started taking a daily supplement of plant sterols along with his diet changes. Within 3 months, his LDL cholesterol levels dropped by 12%, as reported in a study published in the journal Atherosclerosis. Number 2. Soluble fiber supplements. Soluble fiber, such as psyllium husk, can help reduce LDL cholesterol. Soluble fiber binds with cholesterol in the digestive system and helps remove it from the body. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that taking a daily supplement of psyllium husk for 3 months significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels by up to 15%. Jane, a 45-year-old woman with borderline high cholesterol, began incorporating psyllium husk into her morning routine. After 6 weeks, her LDL cholesterol levels dropped by 8%, according to research published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Number 3. Garlic. Garlic is known for its heart-healthy benefits and has been used for centuries to promote cardiovascular health. Some studies suggest that garlic supplements can help reduce cholesterol levels. A meta-analysis of randomized controlled trials published in the Journal of Nutrition found that garlic supplementation led to a 10% reduction in total cholesterol and a 9% reduction in LDL cholesterol. Paul, a 50-year-old man with elevated cholesterol, started taking a garlic supplement daily. Within 3 months, his total cholesterol levels decreased by 7%, as highlighted in a study from the Annals of Internal Medicine. Number 4, green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that participants who drank green tea daily experienced a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol levels after 12 weeks. Emma, a 35-year-old woman with high LDL cholesterol, incorporated 3 cups of green tea into her daily routine. After 3 months, her LDL cholesterol levels dropped by 10%, as reported in a study from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry. Number 5, red yeast rice. Red yeast rice is a traditional Chinese medicine that contains naturally occurring statins, which can help lower cholesterol levels. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine found that red yeast rice supplements significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels by up to 25%. Michael, a 55-year-old man who couldn't tolerate prescription statins, started taking red yeast rice supplements. Within 6 months, his LDL cholesterol levels decreased by 20%, according to research published in the American Journal of Cardiology. While these supplements and natural remedies can be helpful, they should complement a healthy diet and lifestyle rather than replace them. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen. Lowering your cholesterol naturally is possible with the right diet, exercise, lifestyle changes, and natural remedies. Remember, it's all about making sustainable changes that you can maintain in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leading a healthier life. Stay healthy, stay happy,